Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves salon-quality nails but doesn't have the time or budget to make frequent trips to the nail salon, today's review might be exactly what you're looking for. We're diving into the Kiss Gel Fantasy Magnetic Press-On Nails in the stunning solid red shade, designed for that perfect, effortless manicure at home. These are medium-length, almond-shaped nails that promise a salon-like finish without the hassle. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. Kiss Gel Fantasy Magnetic Press-On Nails come with 28 press-on nails, a pink gel nail glue, just 2 grams of it, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick, giving you everything you need for a flawless at-home manicure. The main selling point here is that the nails are infused with a magnetic powder that creates a beautifully dimensional, velvety texture on the surface, making them stand out from your typical press-on options. Let's talk about application. These nails are designed for ease, and honestly, they deliver. The press-ons are thinner at the cuticle, ensuring a seamless, natural look that blends effortlessly with your own nails. The glue is strong, but I recommend applying it carefully to avoid any air bubbles, which can affect the final result. Once applied, the finish is almost flawless, smooth, bubble-free, and durable. The color is a chic, solid red that has just the right amount of vibrancy without being too loud, making it a versatile shade for any occasion. Now let's get into real-world testing. I wore the Kiss Gel Fantasy nails for about a week, and they held up surprisingly well. I tested them during a busy work week, typing, cooking, and even a bit of cleaning, and there were no chips or noticeable damage. The magnetic texture definitely adds a luxurious feel, and the nails remain securely in place. However, I did find that after a few days, I had to be a bit more careful about knocking them against things, as the edges of the nails did show some wear. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of these nails. On the positive side, the magnetic powder effect is really something special. These nails have a depth to them that's not typical of most press-ons. The glue works well, and the almond shape is flattering for most hands. Plus, the kit gives you everything you need for a complete at-home experience. The biggest drawback I noticed is the limited longevity, especially if you're hard on your hands. For something that's designed to be a quick, temporary solution, it's understandable. But if you're looking for something to last more than a week or two, this might not be your best bet. When it comes to value for money, I'd say these nails are fairly priced for what you're getting. The kit offers a salon-quality result without the salon price tag. But if you're looking for longer-term wear, you might want to invest in a more durable option. If you're comparing these to other press-on nails, there are a few similar options, but the magnetic effect on these nails does give them a unique edge. Other brands might have more traditional press-ons that offer decent durability but lack the dimensional texture that these nails bring. If you're someone who's looking for a more professional-looking press-on nail that still offers convenience, the Kiss Gel Fantasy nails could be a great choice. As far as build quality goes, the nails themselves feel solid, and the kit's packaging is compact but functional. I did appreciate the inclusion of the mini file and manicure stick, little details that make a big difference. These nails are definitely not a long-term solution for those seeking a permanent manicure, but they hold up well for a week or two of use. I didn't need to contact Kiss customer support for this review, but the brand does have a solid reputation for delivering on customer service, especially when it comes to quick resolution of any issues related to their products. If you're looking for an alternative, there are other press-on nail kits out there that can offer a similar look at a slightly lower price point. However, the magnetic powder effect in this kit does set it apart from most others, and the ease of application is a strong selling point. For those who prioritize both aesthetics and convenience, this product makes sense. To wrap up, the Kiss Gel Fantasy Magnetic Press-On Nails are a fantastic option for anyone who wants the look and feel of salon nails without leaving the house. They're easy to apply, offer a luxurious finish, and are great for short-term wear. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with at-home manicures, these could definitely be worth the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.